Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can connect your WhatsApp to your Google Sheet right here in n8n. But for you to do that, you need to have a Facebook page and you have to create an app in your Facebook page, right? And you also have to select connect with WhatsApp for you to get your app ID and your secret key. By the time you have done that, then you are good to go. Come in here, select WhatsApp trigger, click on it. You can see credential, right? Click on this. Now put in your app ID as your client ID, your app secret as your secret, as your client secret, and you are good to go. Now remember, I selected in my trigger on send message, right? Now after that, you will have to copy this webhook, click on it, switch to production URL and click on the get, right? Just for testing purposes. You have to come down there into your configuration. It is opening in your configuration. That is where you will paste it, and then you click on verify, right? And after that, the next thing you have to do is click on API setup, which is taking quite a while, and click on send message. That alone will trigger this. Now after you've successfully triggered it, right inside your Facebook page, the app you created in there, you can create your add your Google Sheets, which is your append row in Sheets, which is where you select here from your documents from the Google Sheets. Then you select the actual sheet and then map in the columns. Look at my Google Sheets right here. So when you send a message from your Facebook page app that you created and you get it on your WhatsApp, when you reply with whatever message you reply it with, it will trigger and save right in your Google Sheet. And that is how it works and how you can connect your WhatsApp to your Google Sheet on n8n. If you find this interesting, please drop a comment. If you have any difficulties, drop a comment and we will address it.